Oxygen is among one of the most abundant gases on Earth. It makes up about 21% of the atmosphere, about 50 to 80% of all the water on Earth, and about 46% of the Earth's crust. Almost all living creatures on Earth need oxygen to survive. It is so crucial to our survival that even a few minutes without it would kill us. But why is breathing oxygen so important for our survival? Today, we will be taking a look at why our bodies need oxygen to survive. But before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to our channel if you're new here. Oxygen is an essential part in maintaining the various functions and processes that happen throughout our bodies within our cells. To work and function properly, cells in our bodies need to release chemical energy. Now to do this, they use a process called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process by which organisms combine oxygen with other food molecules to divert the stored chemical energy in these substances into life-sustaining activities. It takes place in the cells of animals, plants, and fungi, and in algae and other protists. So we can think of cellular respiration as a chemical reaction in which glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen. This releases chemical energy which is captured in molecules of adenosine triphosphate or ATP, which then supply it to fuel other cellular processes. Once ATP has released energy, it becomes ADP or adenosine diphosphate, which is a low energy molecule. ADP can be recharged back to ATP by simply adding a phosphate. This requires energy. These molecules can be recycled so that a constant stream of energy-rich ATP is available for all metabolic pathways in the cell. Most of cellular respiration takes place in special organelles called mitochondria. Although most mitochondria play a key role in other cellular processes, their main function is to produce large amounts of energy through cellular respiration. But that is not all. Cellular respiration also produces a few byproducts, namely carbon dioxide, water, and heat. The heat is used to keep our bodies and vital organs at a warm, comfortable temperature. Moreover, the excess carbon dioxide and water that we produce can be used up by plants. Plants convert sunlight energy through photosynthesis, where a special organelle called chloroplast produces glucose and oxygen by taking in carbon dioxide and water. On the other hand, we breathe in oxygen and retain glucose, producing carbon dioxide, water, and heat. And that is how the cycle of life continues, at least when sunlight is still available. In the absence of sunlight though, even plants use oxygen to break down sugars into energy. So unless an organism uses anaerobic respiration, which is a method of obtaining energy by breaking down food through the process of fermentation, we all depend on oxygen to survive. And that is why we breathe oxygen. If you enjoyed this video, do leave a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content ahead. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.